Hello all, my name is Pawan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to see how to add check-in box in Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel is one of the most important and the most preferred skill in any domain, whether if you are in a IT domain or if you are in a non-IT domain, or if you are a data scientist or any data science professional, data consultant, data engineer, business analyst, or any kind of domain, or even if you are in admin, or if you are an accountant. So any domain, if you are going for any domain, so having knowledge on Microsoft Excel is very important. And in the coming days I am planning to start a playlist on Microsoft Excel and advanced Excel, so that everyone can learn and it's very useful for you to upskill yourself for your future career prospectus. So before we begin our main topic, so if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all the updates on my channel. So hope you all will enjoy this video. So let's get into this. So how to add a check-in box in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so so this is the Microsoft Excel, and these are the two columns with first name and last name. Okay, so just imagine like these are the two columns, and just if you want to add a check-in box to this particular column, just imagine like whether this person has completed the task or not. Okay, so in order to do that, so here we usually type whether that particular person has completed the task or not. Like we usually do like done or not completed, like that. Okay, so this becomes somewhat like a tedious task, or somewhat it looks like not user friendly, and somewhat it looks like a complicated. So in order to come out of this, like we perform one of the simple tasks like a check-in option, so where we can insert the check-in for the particular rows. Okay, so let's see like how to do this. Okay, so here you can see file, home, insert, and different options. So in order to insert the check-in box for that particular column and for that particular row, first you have to go to file, click on check for options, and here you can see options, and here you can go to customized ribbon. Here you can see a developer option, just click on that. So the click on that developer option and press OK. Okay, so now here you can see one more different option like developer option. Just click on that developer option and go for insert, and here you can select checkbox form control. Just click on that, and here once you get that option, here you can just insert that checkbox option. Okay, and here you can type okay. So this is the option to insert check-in option, and you can do it. Okay, so once you do it, you can drag it till wherever you want. You can till drag to the columns till wherever you want, and you can just here type task, whether the particular person has completed the task or not. Okay, so just imagine like this person whether has completed the task or not. If he has completed the task, you can tick the right, you can tick mark here, and if he has not done, you can just leave it like that. So this looks pretty easy rather than doing like whether he has completed or not completed. So this doesn't looks much user friendly, but this looks pretty simple, and whenever if any person will look into the Excel file, it looks very nice and tidy, like the person has completed the task or not. So you can use it for any other kind of any other options, not just for the task. Whether you can even use for any other different options, whichever you want to do it. Okay, so that's all about this particular video. So in the coming days, like, I'm planning to focus more on Microsoft Excel. So since the Microsoft Excel is very one of the most preferred skill, so hope you like this particular video, and please do subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed, and please hit the like button if you really like this particular video. Okay, and see you on it all. Thank you. Bye bye.